Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Good Virtue Company Glowing in Goodness Brightening Night Cream with organic black seed oil. Now, the first problem I have with this is that it won't come out a spout. I've tried and tried and it just will not come out. The product itself is pretty good. It's nice and creamy, good for nighttime use before bed. But like I said, oddly, the top does not work, but the product is not bad. This is 1.52 ounces, and it's the Organic Glowing in Goodness Night Cream. It contains organic ingredients to help moisturize your skin and fight fine lines, wrinkles, dry, flaky skin, and the product is infused with black seed oil that is recognized for its rich natural ingredients, minerals, antioxidants that help repair, restore, and rejuvenate skin. So the Brightening Night Cream includes an anti-aging formula that penetrates deep into the skin surface to improve the texture and elasticity, a night recovery cream designed to be applied after your night cleansing ritual. So the scent is nice, and I don't know if it's flowery or what, but it smells really good. But it's once again, it's encouraged to be used every day before bed, and also you can use it in the morning too. You can put it under your makeup. Helps remove dark spots for a brighter complexion, and don't neglect your neck or chest. Always put moisturizer on your neck and chest too, because that's part of your décolletage. It's part of your skin, your facial skin, that you need to take care of. You can share this with your friends, your mom, your sister, heck, your dad if you want. And yeah, so it's a good cream. It'd be a good gift. It's not super expensive. I like it. It has a nice fresh scent. I haven't really noticed any help with the hyperpigmentation on my cheeks, but I do like the moisture from the the organic black seed oil. So I'll continue to use this until I'm done with it and decide from there if I'm going to buy it again. I say you try it out for yourself. Like I said, the price point isn't super expensive, so it's something that's not out of reach to try. And yeah, I would give it a fair shot because it's a decent product for the price. And I always take care of my skin before bed. I wash my face with a wash, and then I use a pigment wash to help with my hyperpigmentation, and then under eye cream, and then I put the Glowing Goodness on and I sleep with that on. So it helps to repair overnight, and like I said, you can also use during the day as a nice light moisturizer. I haven't had any problems with breaking out, which is really great. So I don't know if it's non-comedogenic, but for me, it hasn't given me any problems. So if you're worried about that, that's my opinion on that. It seems to be pretty natural, and they have other products by Good Virtue. They have washes and they have shampoos, and so they have a whole line of things. So this is just one line, or one part of their line. Their line is pretty big, actually. So I would be open to trying other products. It's also no parabens, no animal derived ingredients, and no animal testing. So it's vegan friendly, and the black seed oil is also known as habitus sauda. This key active ingredient is recognized for richness of natural nutrients, minerals, and antioxidants. And like I said, they have a range of products. This is just one of them. This one is 3.2 ounces. And yeah, so don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.